Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to hit a golf fade. First, understand that a fade is a controlled shot that curves gently from left to right for a right-handed golfer. This shot offers more precision and can help you avoid trouble on the left side of the fairway. It's a valuable tool for navigating doglegs or when you need to shape the ball around an obstacle. For the proper setup, align your body slightly to the left of your target. This creates an open stance relative to your intended shot. Crucially, aim your club face directly at your target, not where your body is aligned. Place the ball slightly forward in your stance, perhaps 1 or 2 inches more forward than a standard iron shot, to encourage the desired club path. Now, let's talk about the swing itself. Your swing path should feel like it's moving slightly out to and relative to your body alignment, but still across the target line. Focus on a smooth, controlled tempo, avoiding any jerky movements. Don't try to overpower the ball. A controlled swing is far more effective for shaping the shot and achieving that gentle fade. At impact, the club face should be slightly open relative to your swing path, which is what imparts the left-to-right spin. Allow your hands to release naturally through the ball without trying to manipulate the club face too much. Finish your swing with a balanced and full follow-through, pointing your belt buckle towards the target. This ensures you maintain control and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.